Hey guys, good morning. So it's super early in the morning. You found this little gem, this is actually an unlisted video. I put that card up there. If you clicked on it because you had a question of where I'm talking about the crankshaft and camshaft, I messed that up. I said, that the distributor is driven by the crankshaft. I kind of messed that up, so I added this little card. But I'm just going to include this as an unlisted video in case you clicked on that card. Hey, leave a comment down below. This video is not going to get viewed very much because not a lot of people click on those cards, but just wanted to say good morning and explain a little bit further here about the crankshaft versus the camshaft. So I'm shooting this video real quick just to explain real quick and give you guys a little hidden gem, a little thing that most other viewers aren't going to see. So we've got our crankshaft right here, right? And this drives the pistons, and that's driven like straight in from right here. The camshaft is centered right about here, and that's actually what drives your distributor. There's a little gear on there. Let me try to show that to you real quick. Yeah, somebody wants fed. So in the hole where the distributor was, let's see if I can focus on this down here. That's about as good of a shot I'm going to get of it, but you can see the little gear there on the camshaft that drives the distributor and keeps it all in timing. So under the cover here we have the timing chain which links the crankshaft to the camshaft. So just wanted to clear that up. Thanks for watching this short little video. Leave a comment down below and let me know that you found it and actually were able to see it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.